Good night. My name is Oscar Daza. I am 26 years old. I live in Duitama with, with my parents and my baby. I am currently studying zootechnics at the university. I am working his cattle trader. I like to play soccer and video games and my spare time. I dislike irresponsibility. I found days ago I made the trip with my brothers. We traveled to the very beautiful to called Pesca. We use it to objectives. The first was to bring six animal Norman calves, and the other objectives was the jeep to knap to knap the tom. I really like the experience because of the landscapes, the people, and the amount of diversity, and recommend that you visit this place. It is brilliant. Thank you.